everyone, my name is Ridha Azzahra Fauziyah. My student ID is 2510611228, and today I'll present about one of the most popular legal profession in Indonesia. Yep, that is a notary. But before I start, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever signed a land contract, a business agreement, or even a marriage agreement? If yes, then you've probably met a notary. So, what is a notary? A notary in Indonesian law is defined as public official who is authorized to make authentic deeds and other legal documents. The notary acts independently and impartial. This means notaries don't take sides. Their main role is draft, authenticate, and archive legal documents so that these documents carry full legal force in Indonesian court. Notaries have very broad responsibility, some of which include first draft and authenticate deeds. As a notary, one of the main duties is drafting and authenticating deeds. These include deeds of sale, wills, marriage agreement, and other important documents. Once of this is authenticated by a notary, it gains legal force and becomes an official proof recognized by the court. Second, certified documents and contracts. Notaries also certify documents and contracts, which means they verify the signatures and ensure that the parties involved understand and agree to the content. This prevents future disputes and gives the documents stronger legal standing. Third, handle land or property transaction. In real estate and property, notaries play a crucial role. When buying or selling land or houses, the notary ensures the legality of the transaction, checks ownership status, and registers the deeds. This protects both the buyer and the seller from fraud. And last, ensure confidentiality and impartiality. Finally, notaries must maintain strict confidentiality and impartiality. They can't take sides between parties, and all information disclosed to them must remain confidential. Now, you might be wondering, how much do notaries earn? On average, they earn around 10 to 25 million rupiah per month. In big cities, this number can be much higher depending on the cases they handle. Their income is closest tied to how many contracts or deeds they work on. Some of the skills that you need to be a successful notary are both technical and personal. Let me explain one by one. First, strong legal knowledge. A notary must have a strong foundation in legal knowledge. They deal with laws every day, from property rights to family law, so they must always stay updated and accurate. Second, accuracy in drafting documents. Every word in a deed matters. A small mistake as drafting can lead to legal disputes. That's why notaries must be extremely detail-oriented and precise in their writing. Third, integrity and impartiality. Notaries can take sides. They must act with full honesty, neutrality, and integrity. This ensures fairness and build public trust in their profession. And last, communication and admin skills. Notaries need to explain complex legal terms in a simple way so clients understand. They also manage a lot of documents and administrative tasks, so organizational skills are just as important. To become a notary in Indonesia, the qualifications are very strict. These requirements are designed to ensure that only competent and trustworthy individuals can hold this profession, like hold Indonesian citizenship, believe in God, be at least 27 years of age, have good physical and mental health, have a law degree and a level 2 diploma in notarial work, have undertaken at least 24 continuous months of apprenticeship or work in a notary office and did not hold a position as a civil servant, state official, lawyer, or any other position prohibited for notaries. And last, not have been convicted of an offense that carries a punishment of 5 or more years in prison. The work environment of a notary is quite dynamic. First, notaries often have client meeting. They are directly discuss legal documents. Professionalism or the ability to explain legal terms in simple words are very important. Second, a notary's daily work involves a lot of document handling. They prepare, draft, and authenticate deeds or contracts. Since even a small mistake could have serious legal consequences, accuracy is absolutely essential. Third, notaries must collaborate with institutions such as government, banks, and business organizations. This means they need strong networking and administrative skills. Finally, notaries also responsible for confidential data management. They handle highly sensitive legal and personal information, so integrity and confidentiality are at the core of their professional duties. Now, let's move on the career prospect for a notary. First, you can become a public notary. This is the most recognized role where you are authorized to draft, certify, and authenticate deeds and various legal documents. Second, you might work as a land deed officer. In this role, your main focus is on property and land transactions such as buying, selling, or transferring ownership. Third, there's the opportunity to become a legal consultant. Here, you provide legal advice, guidance, and solution to clients who may not fully understand the law. Finally, you could also pursue a career as a corporate lawyer. In this position, you assist companies by drafting contracts, ensuring compliance with regulation, and even handling disputes. The challenges of being a notarist is that legal complexity, high responsibility, ethical demands, and also digital transformation. In conclusion, notaries play a very important role in the Indonesian legal system by ensuring the validity and authenticity of important documents. While the profession demands high qualification and integrity, it also offers rewarding prospects. However, challenges like legal complexity and digital transformation still need attention. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation gives you a clearer picture about the notary profession. Bye bye!